Hi, I'm a 34-year-old self-described workaholic, and the thing is, I just went through my busiest season. So 120 hours easily for the last 4 weeks, minus last week. Last week, it all caught up to me, and I got super sick. So if I sound like I smoke a pack a day, that is why. I don't actually smoke. I'm an asthmatic, which also doesn't help with the whole cold thing. But we're about to start 100 days of getting our jam back. I also didn't think about that before I said it. 100 days is a long time. I don't know if I can do it, but it's summer and I want to get the most out of summer. So buckle up. Let's go. Today is day one, accountability, social media. Hold me to it. We're getting back to our roots. And as someone who's an absolute workaholic, that means that I can't do the quiet, lay low, recover thing. That stresses me out even more. I just have to do things that creatively fuel me. So for me, that's going to be adventuring, cooking good food, eating good food, and most importantly, being on my horses, riding my horses. I decided Horse Girl Summer's back. It has been a long journey. We'll talk more about that later, but here we go. Today's adventures include a bunch of work this morning for my podcast. Another story for another time. The farrier's coming out to work on my horse's feet to help them get ready to go, specifically Trainwreck and Bash. Got a bill to pay at my butcher, so we're going to go do that. And then we are going to probably have to recoup a little bit. I feel a bit exhausted. I also have meat chickens that I'm picking up today, and I'm really excited about those ones. I love me some good home-raised meat chickens. My friend Morgan and her husband DJ did these ones. So buckle up. Let's go. Adventure time.